All right, today we're going to bring a 7-blade shaver. Now this one is actually, you can use it wet or dry. And just to let you guys know, it's a type C connection that you could charge right here. It has a smart LED light that you turn on. And it also comes with a cover, so you can put it away. So if you want to dry it out, because I recommend you air dry it, and also maintenance on this. I'm going to show you a lot of maintenance. Okay, the whole assembly comes apart, if you guys can see, and it's magnetic, all right? That's pretty much it. That's the maintenance that you do. Wash it and air dry it. It's stainless steels. Replace it every once a year. The blades, you can replace them each one if you want. That's simple for mostly all of them, you know. So it just pops up like that. Very simple. We're gonna use it because I'm gonna show you exactly what I need to do. Right. All right. First of all, the shaver works with shorter hair. It won't work with this, so you're gonna have to trim it down. So I'm gonna have another trimmer that I'm gonna trim it down. All right, first thing you do, I shaved it off already. Now I'm gonna wet my head and I'm gonna actually use shaving cream. All right, and they do have special shaving cream for bald people just like me, but I'm just gonna use regular gel. So, all right. Enough layers where it's going to completely slip everything off and get it nice and smooth out. So let's go ahead and wash this a little bit. Now you're going to rinse this a little bit. Turn it on while you're doing that so it could get wet. Now we'll start the process. You hear the grinding of the hair. All right. Rinse this out. Simple. Then we're going to air dry this. All right, look at this, perfect. Came out good. So it came out pretty good. You guys can see that. So very simple, couple of minutes, and you're ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.